Hi, my name is Christine. I've been to the dating scene for quite some time and I don't trust guys. Period. Yet I always ended up alone and broken into pieces. They only wanted to play games, to create sparks, to test the waters and all. I am left alone again. I need to stand on my own. I can do this. Now, it is time to take care of my own destiny. I started off with enrolling at FilBrit Training Center to move on and to improve myself. Since then, I am dreaming of wearing a toque and be a chef because the best way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Oh, Christine, self-love.
Hey! Are you going somewhere?
Do I know you? What exactly do you mean?
Oh, calm down. Relax. You're in deep thoughts. You're thinking of you're going to Mars. By the way, I'm James.
Sorry, but I don't talk to strangers.
You will see this face for the rest of the training. Hello again, classmate.
Sorry, I don't get it. What exactly do you mean?
You'll see.
Good morning, guys! So whoever is the person behind you will be your partner for the rest of the training, okay? You work together as a team.
See? I told ya. Hello again, teammate.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.
Hi, sir.
Bye.
Hi, sir.
Hi, T.
Can I have one request? Can my partner be a girl too?
I'm sorry, Teen, but everyone settled down with their partners. I'm sure you're gonna figure things out.
James! James, wait!
What?
I just wanted to talk to you. I need this presentation to be perfect.
Come on. Yes, I'm serious. We can do it.
But I don't get it. Look at you. You look so calm and happy-go-lucky.
See?
Seems this whole training doesn't matter to you.
See? Tell me your name first.
Maria Christine de la Cruz. Tin for short, but since we're not close, call me Christine.
Oh, okay, teen. Don't judge the book by its color.
I told you we're not close. And shouldn't it be, don't judge the book by its cover, not color?
Because you're not a judge.
Stop it. It's not funny. Let's just do it together, okay? Be cool?
Okay, okay. See you tomorrow.
Umiiyak ka na naman. Langiya talaga, wala ka bang ibang alam? Namumugtong mga mata. Kailan pa ba kaya ikaw magsasawa sa problema na iyong pinapasan? Hatid sa'yo ng boyfriend mo, hindi mo maintindihan. May kwento kang pang drama na naman. Parang pang TV na walang katapusan. mo ba alam na walang pupuntahan ang pagtiyaga mo dyan sa boyfriend mo tanga? Na wala nang ginawa kundi ang paluhain ka sa libo-libong pagkakataon na tayo'y nagkasama. Iilang huli pa lang kitang nakitang masaya. Naiinis akong isipin na ginaganyan ka niya. Siguro ay hindi niya lang alam ang iyong tunay na halaga.
Rising right now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be there. Bro,
Oh, bro.
is it okay if you cover my shift today?
I also have an important task to do, man.
This is urgent. My wife is on delivery and I need to be with them.
Okay.
Please,
Just come back
James.
quickly, man.
Please,
I have
James.
some errands, which
I
is
have to
really,
go.
really important.
Thank you, bro. I owe you one.
Let's go.
Tin, it's your turn.
Sir, is it okay if we will be the last one to present? My partner is not here yet. We will present next once he comes.
Tin, you're the last one. You have asked too much extension.
I'm ready.
Sir, we're ready.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark.
I told you, I will not leave you, right?
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all.
It's not funny.
I have some errands.
Smile on your face lets me know that you
I have some
need
errands.
me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall.